Let me take you on my journey through the packing. So this is going to be the bag that I transferred all my stuff over to Tanzania, and the carry-on, my little backpack with the camelback for the water. I got these interesting things that I brought along to hold my phone. So there's two different things I've got for holding the phone so that it doesn't slip. This is a very good Osprey bag. I used it at the Everest Base Camp, and this is also the bag that the porters carried for me at Everest. I'm going to use the same bag again. One of the most important things for the trip is, of course, the shoes. So my shoes that served me well at Everest, I'm going to take them along with me again. And of course, they recommended strongly that we use a pair of slippers after the hike so that your legs start to breathe once you've reached your destination. Going on the advice of some friends, I decided to pack my little bags here in 3 pieces. So this is the first few days. So the clothes are arranged in such a way, so you got an inner layer and an outer layer, a cap, socks, and the unmentionables. This is for the middle phase, where I will have a light, fleece, which will help me along the way. And then, of course, as I scale to the top, things get colder, so you'll see a lot of thicker gear with multiple layers, gloves, balaclava, thermals, inner gloves, outer gloves. These are merino wool, so sorted it out in that way. And then the outer jacket I'm going to rent from Kilimanjaro, but here you see a rain jacket and a rain pant, and this is a light down jacket, which is highly recommended for the sleep, because I'm going to also rent the sleeping bag, which there's no point in carrying it all the way from here. So this is the sleep liner, which ensures that I have a clean place to sleep, and a pillow. This is really cool. I tried it out just a couple of days ago, and it really did well. I was able to sleep quite well on it. My old sticks, these served me well, and Comperdell, they served me at the Everest Base Camp, but I also have been doing some local hikes here, and these have been helping a lot. And along with that, a night lamp, because we'll be in the dark a lot, and with some spare batteries, very, very important. So that's packed out there. This is the pillow I will use for the flight. It's a long flight from here, so this will really help. Coming over to this side, I have all my food that I'm going to carry with me, a whole bunch of health bars, a ton of nuts, so one for each day, so that'll help, hopefully. Some tea bags, not sure that they'll help or not, but I'm taking them along. As I move along here, these are foot warmers and hand warmers and toe warmers that they recommended, especially for the last day. It's supposed to get very, very cold. The medicine here, things, the Diamox, which is going to help me with the altitude sickness, my regular medication, Band-Aids. They recommended us have this deep woods protection against mosquitoes. I'm also planning to get a mosquito course, which I start tomorrow. A malaria course, I apologize. My spare glasses and my spare contact lens right here. The 2 Nalgene bottles that served me well in my last trek. And of course, the hydration, Noon, really good. I'm taking some extra this time just because I understand this is going to be a lot hotter. Finally coming to this side, my passport and to my little utility belt and some cash to carry, the dark shades, I love my Oakleys, and of course sanitary things, the toilet rolls and then body wipes, just in case I'm unable to get to a shower. These are like quick dry towels, really cool. These are from Olympia Fit. Again, they served me very well, and I've used them outside of hikes also. And then, of course, some toiletries that I use on my regular travels. So that's it. Now I start putting them into the bags. Really excited and freaked out at the same time. Oh, of course, a pack of cards, because when you got nothing else to do, that's what you can do. Two things that I didn't call out here, and that is, of course, you want your universal charger, your universal power socket, some chargers for the devices like phones and stuff, and two battery packs. One is a 28,000 milliamp charger, which is really good, and this one, it's actually solar, so hopefully I can recharge it along the way. The one trick you got to know about this one is it will not charge if you bring it down to zero. So if you ever use something like this, make sure it doesn't come down to zero. Cool. Hope you enjoy the rest of the videos, and I look forward to talking to you folks soon.